What's up guys, it's Mark. Elgato are well known for making fantastic products and they've helped make streamers and content creators' lives easier all around the world. The original Stream Deck gave people the edge by increasing their production, helping them stand out from the crowd, and now they've released a cheaper, smaller, more compact version, the Stream Deck Mini. The original Stream Deck isn't exactly available to everyone due to its price point. The Stream Deck Mini aims to deliver the same product at a slightly cheaper price. While not as cheap as I'd like, considering it only has 6 buttons, it should help streamers on a tighter budget up their game. Checking it out, the build quality is on point. The Mini doesn't feature a stand, but it looks like a more elegant solution sat on my desk compared to the original. The buttons are at a perfect angle for visibility and they're housed in an extremely well built shell, and underneath has a large strip of rubber stopping the unit from slipping on pretty much any surface. Each key on the Stream Deck is made from a clear plastic and underneath is an LCD display. The idea is that you have a visual representation of each action you assign to each key, and the options are limitless. To say the Stream Deck is just to be used for streaming would be doing it an injustice. Right-clicking on any box allows you to create a folder that can hold up to another 5 commands or another 5 folders. The options are limitless, and only having 6 keys suddenly doesn't seem such a drawback with the Mini, since you can create so many subfolders. The commands you're able to assign to the 6 different keys are limitless, and it must have took Elgato a very long time programming and testing these. Everyone is covered with integration from Elgato's very own game capture software, OBS, Streamlabs and XSplit, to name a few. Commands that I've found useful so far is being able to send posts to social media sites all at once, letting people know a stream is about to start, for example. Plus cool stuff like switching scenes while streaming without ever alt-tabbing, or throwing a message in chat, or even activating a thank you note for a donation. The list is endless. While no doubt the Stream Deck and Mini is aimed as a broadcaster device, I'm just as excited to use it for macros and shortcuts, especially when editing with Premiere Pro. There's around 5 different system commands. One allows you to assign a URL to open your favorite websites, and open allows you to quickly access any app installed on your computer. Plus, the software allows you to assign hotkeys and control multimedia functions. Awesome stuff. One of the coolest features with the Stream Deck and Stream Deck Mini is you can assign your own pictures for each individual key. Personally, I just create my own folder on my computer and add the pictures that way, but you can make your own using the key creator, which allows you to really make your Elgato stand out and look your own, and wallpaper mode is especially slick. Rounding off now, the Elgato Stream Deck and Mini are great devices. In the future, now Corsair own Elgato, it would be really cool if they could team up and integrate a Stream Deck into a K70 in one slick package. The original Stream Deck costs $139 and 134 UK pounds, and the Mini certainly allows people on more of a budget a chance of owning this awesome device. That said, $99 and 89 UK pounds isn't as cheap as I thought it would be. Even if you don't stream, it can complement any gaming setup very well. I hope you've enjoyed the review, guys. My name's Mark from SilencedTech. I'm trying my hardest to upload more. Goodbye.